Yeah, we are go. Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about another method of an array. We have left out it in between in previous video. Let's continue with it. Yeah, did you get it? What I'm saying? Yeah. The copy within method of an array instance shall copy part of the array another location, same array, and return this array without modifying its length. JavaScript demo array dot copy within A B C D E. Consider array dot copy within 034. 034. Expected output D V. What it is D. Why it is D V C D? I don't get about it. What does it doing? Copying to all index 1. Index 3 to the end. I don't care. How does it doing, bro? I don't know. Copy with target syntax. Target dot start end. Target. What is a target? Target is 1. Index. Yeah. That is our talking about index. 0. Start. 3. Yeah. 3 is D. Yeah, absolutely. And end out at 4. 3, 4. E. So they are doing from D V C D E. D V C D E. D B C D E. Not A. Yeah. Let's go whatever it is. Start. I started from B. Start. Let's start. Target 1. 1 is what? 1 is V. 1 is V, brother. Why does they are using D then? I think their solution are quite a bit wrong. Then why are you using G? Parameter 0 base index at which to copy sequence and convert it to integer. In negative index count back to the end of an array. If target is less than 0, target plus array dot length is used. If target is less than minus dot length is 0 is used. If target is greater than equal to array dot length, nothing is copied. If target is positioned after start after normalization, copying only happen until the end of the array dot length. In other words, copying with never extend the array. 0 based index at which start copying element from converted to negative index count back from the end of the array. Start is less than start plus array dot length is used. If array is less than array used. If start is greater than array dot length, nothing is copied. 0 based index at which to end copying element from converted to an integer. Copy with copies after but not included end. Negative index count back from the under array if end is less than 0 and plus array dot length is used. If end is less than minus array dot length is 0 is used. If end is greater than array dot length or end is committed and used, causing all element until the end of code. If end is positioned before all at the start after normalize, nothing is copied. Return value the modified array. Description with method work like C remove. After the high performance method to shift the data of array, that especially applies to the type array method to be same name. The sequence is copied and pasted on an operation. The pasted sequence will have a copy value v1 within when the copy and paste region overlap, because undefined becomes 0 when converted to an integer omitting n. The star parameter has the same effect as a passing, which copies the entire of a target position equivalent to the right shift and right boundaries and could. This behavior may be confused render to the code, so you could especially pass 0 as an start and copy within method is mutating method. It does not alter the length of the, but it will change the content of this and create a new properties and delete existing properties if necessary. Copy with method preserve empty slot if the origin of the copied from the space. The element slots corresponding new indices are deleted and also become empty slot. The copy within method is generic. It only accepts this value to have a length property. An integer keyword keypad properties, all the string are also Also, array like their method is not suitable to be applied on them as string are mutable, immutable. Example: using copy with it. Console or 0. 0 is what? 0 is 1 and 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3. It will start from 1 and start from its 0 target. It should be start from 4 5. 4 5 will be left and 0 3 4 5. Oh, I didn't get about it. What does it's doing? What does it doing? I don't get about it. 0 is the starting point, so 0 should be 1. Then why they are doing 4 and 3? 3 is 0 1 2 3. 3 is 4. Start is 4. Okay, now I get little more about it. Using copy with in on a spare array copy within will provide empty slot. Console.1.3 copy within 212. Calling copy within a non-array object, the copy within method reads length property of this and manipulate the integer indices involved. Let's read about next specification entries every filter. Okay, filter is more important than fill every. I don't use filter. Yeah, let's find out what the filter does to an array. The filter method is an array instance created a shallow copy of portion of given array. Filter down some of the element from the given array that pass the test implemented by provided function. Try it. Ish pure limit light exuberant destruction present. What dot filter? It will take what? And a function, anonymous function. Then each word will let further that is greater than. Okay, I know about this. I have used this filter method multiple time in my applications. Parameter filter dot callback function. Callback that's called callback function. This is argument. We use argument. A function to execute each element in an array, it should return a truth value to keep the element in a resulting array and a false value otherwise. The function is called when the following argument: current element being processed in the array. The index of the current element is processed in the array. The array filter was called upon. A value to use this when executing callback functions iterative method return value to a shallow copy of the portion of given array filter down to just element from the given array that passes the test implemented by provided function. If no element passes the test, an array element return description. The filter method to iterative method it called provided callback function once for each element in array and construct a new array of the all values of which callback function return a truth value. Array element it does not pass the callback function test included in array. Callback function is invoked only for array indexes which have assigned value. It is not invoked for empty slot in parts. Array the filter method is copying method does not alter this what instead return a shallow copy of that consists. How many minutes has been completed? Around 9 minutes has been completed in this video. We are going with a quite good speed. Let's continue with the process. Let me continue with the process. Why does I'm doing this soft kind of thing? I don't know. I'm just enjoying the process. I'm doing that's why. If you have any problem, you should not do it. You should not do it. Because why does not you should do it? Because it requires some kind of what enjoyment in order to do process. In order to complete a process, it requires some amount of enjoyment. If you're not doing so, then you will get bored out and you will left this process in 3 or 4 days. That's it. You will not move forward without. If you are not enjoying the process, you will not move out furthermore the process. So it's keep enjoying the process and keep moving. That's it. I want to say around 10 minutes has been passed. In this video 5 minutes have to more cover and then will we continue with it. The The filter method is copying method is not after alter this instead running return a shallow copy that contain the same element as the one from the original array with same some filter out. However, the function provide why does a callback function can mutate the not. However, that length of an array saved before the first invocation of callback function. Their callback function will not visit any element headed beyond the array initial with callback function filter. Changes the already visit indexes do not cause callback function to be on the same again. If an existing yet unvisited element of array is changed by callback, its value passed to an callback will be value of that time of element. Real element are not visited. The filter method is generic. It only accept this value to have a length property and integer keyword properties. For example, filtering out all sample value. The following example uses filter to create. The following example uses filter to create a filter array that has all element with the value less than. Function is big enough value. Filter const filter is enough. Find all prime number in array. The following example return all prime number in array. Do you get it? Function is prime number. We will accept it as a parameter numbers. For let I equal to 2, number is greater than. For let I equal to 2, number is greater than I plus plus. If number divisible by I is equal to 0, what does it mean? We are saying that if we get remainder as 0, then have to return false. We are outputting here prime number, not an ordinary one. So it's absolutely correct. If it going to return a 0 value, then it means its number is even. Okay, and if return, then we are coming out from an array for loop. Number should be greater than 1. Number should be greater than 1. Now only returning those values that are greater than 1. Console.array filter array.filter is prime. Filter is prime. Okay. Filtering invalid entries from JSON. The following example use filter to create a filtered JSON for all element non-zero numeric IDs. Function filter by ID item. If number is finite, item.id and item.id is not equal to 0, return true. Invalid entries. A filter. The course log filter array. Searching in array. Following example uses filter to filter array content based on the search criteria. Function. Using filter to sparse array. Filter will skip empty slotted. Define. Does mean console dot there is an error filter. We accept value if executable. Undefined. Sparse array. Calling filter on non-array object. Filter non-array object. Prototype filter call array. Okay, we are accepting an callback function. Then x is left. AB affecting initial array, modifying, appending and deleting. Let word modify we can use it on very purpose. Do you get it? We can use array method in multiple cases. The whole use of the array method. For today have to create almost 8 videos. It's a 6-second video of the day, so I have to create 6 more. Almost have to complete this video. Around 14 minutes 30 seconds has been completed, so let's continue with the process. Do you get it? What does it? I might got tired for sitting that long period of time. That's why I'm doing this type of exercises, but I don't know what does it is. What the name of this exercise is? Butterfly or something else? Okay. 15 minutes has been passed in this video. We'll see you next time. Till then, wish you again.